For this week po, meron po kaming 6 na posting. Meron po kaming ditong sports jog. Meron na po siya kasamang caption, tsaka yung mga hashtag niya po, tsaka para saan po yung sports jog. Ito po siya. Meron din po kaming 14 by 14 pillow, ganun din, merong caption and hashtag. Sunod naman po is yung aming canvas makeup kit na pouch. Ganon din with caption and hashtag. Sunod naman po is yung acrylic keychain. At yung aming Born series na posting po. With caption and hashtag na din po siya. At ang huli naman po is yung aming buy 5 get 1 free na group shirt po. Ano yun lang po. Buy 1 get 1 Born series, acrylic keychain, makeup kit na canvas bag, pouch po, pouch. 14 by 14 na pillow, and last is yung sports jug.